In the middle of these vast coconut fields, coconut trees have become witnesses to many rainy and sunny seasons, many changes of the earth and human life. Coconut trees stretch out to welcome the sunlight. The plump coconuts accumulate countless nutrients from the ground and water sources. The salty sea breeze seems to carry the breath of the ocean, adding vitality to the coconut trees, turning them into eternal symbols of abundance and resilience. In those fields, diligent and meticulous farmers are working day and night. Under the sunlight, they climb the towering coconut trunks. Their strong hands grip the tree trunks, and with decisive cuts, they use sharp knives to cut each ripe coconut, dropping it carefully to the ground. After being harvested, these coconuts are carefully transported to the factory, where they will undergo a complex processing process to become valuable products. Inside the factory, the atmosphere is bustling but orderly. The sound of machinery operating steadily echoes throughout the space. The coconuts that have just been delivered to the factory are quickly brought to the dangerous system, starting their action process through the complex stages of transformation mode. The modern snow system brings each coconut to a large water tank, where the clear blue water is attractive, preparing for the first cleaning stage. The coconuts are neatly placed in the water tank, rotating under the action of the current. The outer shell is gradually washed away from dirt and impurities. The transformation process begins with the work of washing the coconuts, removing dirt and impurities that they may have collected during the collection process. This process is not only a necessary step to ensure hygiene safety, but also a technical preparation for the next stages. Workers working at the factory play an important role in the work of checking the quality of coconuts. They stand in the snowstorm, their eyes closely caring for each coconut that passes by. With many years of experience, they can immediately recognize substandard coconuts with just a glance. Inside the factory, a series of modern machines work in harmony, creating an impressive industrial scene. The coconuts, which have been washed and sorted from the previous stages, are now transferred to the next processing area, where the shelling and coconut water extraction process takes place. The coconut shelling system is a feat of modern technology. Fresh coconuts are fed into the separation chambers, where sharp cutting blades are programmed automatically to approach each coconut with absolute precision. The sturdy, thick and solid coconut shells, under the power of the fast rotating blades, are neatly separated, leaving the pure white coconut meat inside. After the coconut shells are separated, the coconuts are transferred to the coconut water extraction system. This is a delicate process, requiring absolute synchronization and precision. The machines are programmed to extract coconut water optimally, not only in quantity but also in quality. The extracted coconut water flows through pipes and a modern filtration system. This system includes many different filtration steps, from coarse filtration to fine filtration, ensuring that the resulting coconut water is pure, without any impurities. The filtration systems use advanced technology such as membrane filtration, activated carbon filtration, and ultraviolet filtration, removing all bacteria and impurities, retaining the natural nutrients and delicious flavor of the coconut water. Workers monitor this process remotely via control panels, their eyes attentively following the indicators and specifications displayed on the screen. They ensure that everything is running smoothly, from the speed of dehulling to the amount of coconut water extracted and its quality after filtration. A worker shared. These bottles of pure coconut water, extracted from this high-tech process, not only bring great nutritional value, but are also the result of a perfect combination of tradition and modernity, of technology and the dedication of the people behind it. The coconut factory is not just a place to process and extract coconut water, but also a complex industrial center where every part of the coconut is fully utilized. Here, each area of the factory specializes in producing coconut products, including virgin coconut oil, coconut flour, and a series of other byproducts. In one corner of the factory, the coconut oil production area operates continuously and non-stop. The coconuts that have been dehulled and water extracted are transferred to modern oil presses. The oil pressing process requires strict temperature and pressure control to ensure that the coconut oil obtained is of the best quality. From each coconut, the factory can produce a series of high-value products, such as virgin coconut oil, coconut flour, and even organic fertilizer from the waste parts. Nothing from the coconut is wasted. Not far from the oil pressing area is the coconut flour production area. The coconut meat, after being pressed for oil, is dried and finely ground into coconut flour. This process requires strict temperature control to retain the natural flavor and beneficial nutrients. The flour mills operate at high capacity, turning the dry coconut flakes into fine, white powder particles. The coconut flour is then transferred to an automatic packaging system. Each package is carefully sealed, ensuring that the product quality is not affected during transportation and storage. The factory not only produces consumer products, but also focuses on reusing and utilizing the discarded parts of the coconut. The coconut shells and coconut meat after oil extraction are not wasted, but are converted into organic fertilizer. Another valuable product used in agriculture. The coconut products, after being processed and packaged, are carefully arranged on pallets, ready for export to global markets. Containers loaded with coconut oil, coconut flour, and other byproducts leave the factory and head to all corners of the world. The factory's quality control room with modern equipment, workers check each batch of products. Before leaving the factory, each product undergoes a rigorous quality control process. This ensures that only the best products reach consumers. Containers filled with coconut products are transported from the factory to the port for export. From the coconut fields to the factory and now around the world, coconut products have traveled a long and complicated journey. This is the result of a combination of tradition and modern technology. Containers filled with coconut products are lifted onto ships heading to international markets, ready to bring the nutritional values and wonderful benefits of coconut to millions of consumers. The coconut industry is constantly evolving and innovating, with advances in technology and sustainable development. The future of the coconut industry promises to bring many new opportunities and even more wonderful values. The story of the journey of the coconut from the field to the factory is a testament to the perfect combination of nature and technology. With each coconut product, we not only receive nutritional values, but also the dedication and effort of dedicated people.